Okay, so this is the night before. I'm probably gonna continue vlogging throughout the next day tomorrow. Fiance told me about this road that's supposed to be really curvy. I can't tell you where it is, but it's somewhere in Portland. That's all I'll say. So I kind of wanted to just go on a early morning drive. Spent a little bit of time just prepping the car earlier. Just checking the tires, oil, taking out anything that's loose. Yeah, almost like I'm going through autocross again. The plan is to leave the house by 5 in the morning so I can get to the spot. Oh yeah, my eyes are baggy as hell because I just worked this entire day and I'm just really tired. So I'm gonna get some sleep so I'm fresh for tomorrow. Foggy, holy shit, where the hell? Damn, I can't see shit. My fiance is gonna be like, I told you so. I don't know about you guys, but driving by like cemeteries at night kind of just freaks me out, man. Or it's not night, but it's dark. You gotta be fucking kidding me, dude. Damn, bro. Fuck. Right, so I decided to pull over. I wasn't seeing anything on the drive, man. It was just too foggy. Just got home. It's a little after 8, and I'm gonna edit some footage and then continue with the day. All right, it's about 10 a.m. and I just reviewed, most of the footage from the drive this morning. I couldn't see shit. So I'm gonna go back up, but with Ann this time. Ann's my fiance, and then we're gonna go on a quick drive again. So hopefully I can get some better footage, because that was garbage. And this time I got my dirtfish hat. Hopefully it's good luck, but yeah, man, that was trash. Man. If it was any other person, I'm sure they just post it, but for me, I just want to make sure I have some good stuff. Just wasted time this morning.
That it was foggy?
Yeah.
Check weather.gov. Their National Weather Service.
We ended up going to Pit Up Mansion. Is it free? We don't know. Maybe shit. We're looking at it. So Austin decided to stop by. Just don't be all fake about it. Damn. How much power? 200?
Yeah, probably like 180.
So it's just a little tease for today's vlog. When do you get tuned?
28th.
28th. How much power? For real this time.
On E should be 680 to 700 is the goal.
That sounds good.
Pump gas around 580, 600.
Cool.
Yeah.
We'll have to check it out then. This is crazy though. uneventful day. Aside from some minor difficulties, it was a pretty successful filming day. Had to go back to the mountain twice just to get some more footage. Aside from that, it was cool. Got to hang out with some friends, see some cool people, eat some good food. I'll probably spend some time editing this vlog and get it out as soon as possible. But if you made it this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I think I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. And so I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.